baking soda and conditioner to make our fake snow. I'm gonna mix it to see if it's snow. There are little snow behind it, like it's in the snow.
Happy holidays.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make fake snow. We're gonna use baking soda and conditioner to make our fake snow. Now we're gonna put the baking soda into this.
How many cups?
1. The next thing is we're gonna add the conditioner. Ooh, wow! Now we're gonna mix the conditioner and the baking soda. Now we're gonna mix it to see if it's snow. Uh-oh.
Oh!
There are little snow behind it, like it's in the snow. Wait, no. Oh my gosh.
What are those?
Armines.
The arms?
Arm.
And what is this?
The scarf. Mom, I
scarf.
want to get it on
Wow.
myself. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What's that?
It says Happy Holidays.
Happy holiday? So use your scarf, you can make a snowman, Dini. Where are the eyes? Mom, are these the buttons?
Mm-hmm.
Why are they not round? Show just one. You need a button too. Do you need me a building snowman? Mom, this is a brown snowman.
Scarf.
Oh, the eyes! The eyes! Mom, are these the eyes? Oh no! Oh no! No! Is that what you do the eyes? Is that it? Wait, Mom. I see those clear white thingies. Mommy. Mom.
Bring real snow. Let's say they did make real snow. Here, I got you.
Here's the eyes.
Alright, for a little, so.
We need this. You can cover the face to blend it in, but with this. Whoop! That fell.
Oh, here's the nose.
Oh no, it's falling apart!
The nose.
How fast is something? No, he died!
Oh my god! You want arms for yours, babe?
No.
Dad.
Here.
Daddy. I'm making a snow fight. Can I help you have a snowman? Please. Dad, I need help.
Aww.
Can I grab his head?
Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. He needs a mouth.
I gave you his nose.
Well, he also needs a mouth.
Just make it.
Don't you put the stuff Baking.
Don't push it in too hard. Wait, she's eating the things.
What's she eating?
She's eating the snow. No, don't eat it, okay?
She can't eat that. I bake it. I didn't bake it. Bake it.
Broke it? Here. Build it.
Okay.
Okay.
Mama, there's some more arms.
Well, how many arms do you want him to have?
Oh, I found it. Yep, I found it.
Baba, you find it?
Oh, look, she made one. She made a ball.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
No. The snowman has hair.
Amazing.
I need hair on my snowman.
There you go.
Snowman. Now we're done with our snowman. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Snowman.
Woohoo!
Adina, bye.